Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try a different type of cheesesteak, Philly cheesesteak recipe. This is made with ground chicken. I just figured this may be something that y'all have never seen, and so we'll try that today, see how it goes. And I've already got my chicken starting to cook. I bought my ground chicken at Aldi. I'm sure Walmart may have it. This is like just, sorry y'all, super simple. But first we'll brown this just like a little bit, and then we're gonna add the peppers and the onions. I've already got those chopped up, and I'm gonna double the recipe. 1 container of ground chicken is, let me give you the measurements on that, a pound. I paid about $4 and something a pound for it. And I bought 2 so that we can do, you know, we have plenty. And it's literally this, some vegetables, some seasoning, and we're pretty much done. So let me cook this just a little bit, about halfway, and then we're going to add the peppers and onions. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I went to check to see, make sure that I wasn't missing something on the recipe, and I forgot to buy cheese. But luckily I had some left over from another recipe. You're going to need provolone for this, but pepper jack would be good too. And I would get the ones that are pre-sliced. That way it'd save you some time. All right. All right, I chopped up about 1.5 medium-sized bell pepper, but you can do 1 large. And I chopped up 1 onion. Let me get my meat chopper on this. So I'm gonna just keep cooking this little bit by little bit and try to get these vegetables done. You can always start them in the beginning and cook them before you add your meat. And we're gonna go ahead and add some seasoning to it. I'm gonna use Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning, and I'm gonna use Kinder, the blend. You can do Kinder salt, garlic, and herb, I'm sorry, and then just add your salt and pepper if you want to. You can do whatever you would like. Mine, moisture got to it, so it's clumped together. Hopefully this will unstick. Okay. Just wish I had more than that. You want to make sure that it's very flavorful, because with it being the ground chicken, you know it's not going to have much flavor. So that's one thing I'm trying to do here. And then I'm going to put the Slap Your Mama on there. Just generous, but not too much. Okay. Stir this up some more. Oops. careful because some of my meat's not done over here. So we need to mix all that in. And you can use green bell pepper if you want to. I just used orange and red because that's what I had on hand. All right, so I'm gonna let this continue to cook, and I'm actually gonna put my lid on it to see if we can speed it along. But that's basically it. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more seasoning to it because I feel like that wasn't enough. And then we'll be ready to add the cheese, and I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, y'all, so I decided, since there was so much liquid, I went ahead and drained that. And now I'm just going to take the cheese that I have because I forgot to pick up more. So I have some provolone and I have some Munster cheese. So I'm going to put both of these on here and we're going to melt them. And then I will show you what everything turns out. I will show you how everything turns out. I'm going to let this sit and melt for just a minute. I do have it on low heat, trying to hurry it up. But if I don't get the melt factor that I want, I'm going to stick it in the broiler real quick just to kind of melt it through. We're going to chop it up and then place it on the sandwich. So it's not going to be all neat and tidy, meat, cheese, you know, whatever. It's going to be kind of chopped up on there. And then that's it. I'm also going to use sweet Hawaiian rolls, hot dog buns actually, and that's what I'm going to use. If you can find hoagies like that or anything like that, that would probably be good. Or you could even do their hamburger buns, the sweet Hawaiian. But I'm going to toast some of those up in the oven real quick, and I will show you the finished product here in just a few. We're going to put it with some cheese puffs. All right, I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I lightly toasted the hot dog buns in the oven, and of course you do not have to use that. You can use hoagie rolls, you can use slider rolls, you can use anything. I just decided to do it this way, and like I also said, the bell peppers can be changed to a different color. You don't have to use that, but it's just a really quick meal, and all it took was just a little bit of seasoning, some meat, some cheese, and some peppers, and I've got a different sandwich. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.